Namaskar. I'm Prakash Astrologer presenting you monthly horoscope. Month of June 2021. All the monthly horoscopes are based on your moon sign. You can take this particular monthly horoscope according to your rising sign, according to your ascendant, according to your Lagna sign. But its choice is yours. You can take this whole monthly horoscope, the whole prediction according to your moon sign, or according to your rising sign, or according to your Lagna, according to your ascendant. All depend on you. Monthly horoscope, month of June 2021, for all of you. Cancerian, monthly horoscope, monthly forecast, brief forecast of month of June. For Cancer for the whole month of June. The brief forecast. Cancerian, in this coming month, you like to face several awkward situations. Cancerian, refrain from any kind of arrogance, stubborn attitude, ego, aggression. Cancerian, in this particular month of June, you will be in contact with a lot of influential people, professional people, decision maker. You might enter into new ventures, new projects, new ideas, new dealings. A lot of opportunities around you. You'll be in contact with people from abroad. Don't go for big investment because things will not turn out according to expectation. Do not go for any kind of a risky venture. Your friends, associates will not keep up their promises. You will be valued on account of failures or negligence of others. You'll pay the price towards if somebody's negligence, somebody haven't done that job properly. Baseless charges could be framed against you. Be careful. Making business decision on expansion of trade should not be done without scrutinizing each and every detail of this particular project. You spend money on luxuries, comforts, lifestyle. You got to be extra careful if you are dealing with any legality, legal matter, or legal power, or authorities, or decision maker. Health-wise, look after your digestive system, energy level, your way of thinking. Your tendency of taking huge risk should be curbed. All kind of speculation must be avoided. Due to Ketu's position in 5th house, you have to be careful about your digestive system, your decision-making strategies. Moon, Jupiter in 8th house. So you must, may I say, look after your flow of income, look after your health, look after your peace of mind. And you must be aware of any kind of a lack of recognition and sometimes lack of clarity. Too many confusion, bad debts, illusions, health issues linked with lower part of your tummy. Sun, Mercury in 11th house. Look after your relationship with higher authorities. Beware of fine, penalty, punishment. Mars, Mercury, Venus in 12th house. Beware of any kind of a living conflict with higher authorities, financial losses, financial conflict, cheating, deception, frauds, and be careful. And Saturn position in 7th house. You have to look after your relationship, look after your communication with people around you. And may I say that I would like to recommend you getting a completed monthly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com. Completed monthly horoscope report will define you, give you complete analysis of the whole month of June. The whole extensive report will define you, your son's transit's behavior toward you. It means decision makers' attitude toward you, your legal status, how the legal authority will behave with you. If you're going for an interview, presentation, or contract negotiation, how the people will behave toward you. Will they do a favor? Will they recognize or appreciate you, or will they punish you? Mars behavior toward you. Your confidence, your courage, your temper, your aggression, your creativity, your family members' support. How dynamic you will be in this particular month. Mercury's transit, the whole transit for the Mercury for the whole month. Your career, your business, your flow of money, flow of information, flow of communication with the whole world, your financial and professional opportunities for the whole month, and your Venus transit effect for the whole month is with your love life, your romantic life, your relationship, your luxuries, your lifestyle, your comfort. If you're a performing artist, what you're going to achieve in this particular month. Those effects will be defined in the extensive monthly horoscope report. Plus, you'll achieve the task, what task you must do if you're trapped in any kind of ugly situation, what precaution you must implement to save your skin, what sacred chanting you can do to overcome any kind of situation. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the monthly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.